Test, test, test. Hello there, everyone. My name is Philip Allen. I'm the founder, editor, content creator, and most often than not, I'm also the writer for UnknownComics.com. What is Unknown Comics? Well, Unknown Comics is a free online resource for people interested in learning about comics. I'm currently focusing on four main categories: the defining structure of comics, comics, and their subsets, be they comic books, graphic novels, manga, comic strips, etc., such a unique literary medium, tools, and the practice used by other comic creators to produce, organize, distribute, and promote their comic creating projects. I also discuss some industry trends that significantly affect the comic creating industry and the creative community that surrounds it. And what might this video be about? Well, as by what you may have been able to assume based off the quality, the creepy eyes, the lacking hands, I'm doing a test video. I'm hoping that by making videos, much better looking ones than this one, that I'll be able to accomplish things that I couldn't do with my written articles alone, like reaching a new audience, diving deeper and expanding the topics I didn't feel I could comfortably discuss in the limited space of my writings, get a little more use out of my existing content, and learn how to use audio and video editing tools along the way. If you're interested in the type of content that I hope to release during the videos, I recommend checking out my existing topics over at unknowncomics.com/articles. If you want to help in the production of these videos or my other written content, you can also join my Patreon. Doing so will allow you to pick which topics I release on video. If you're interested in joining me in this wonderful journey of mine while helping me develop these videos, feel free to contact me via my website contact page. You'll find all the links that I referred to in this video in the section below. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you have a good day.